Hi traders, happy to announce that we are removing 2 rules from our program. These 2 rules are the economic release and the weekly loss limit. Now, just because we remove these 2 rules doesn't mean you should just trade willy-nilly. You should always trade with risk management in mind. Now, these are risk management type rules, but we're putting some of that responsibility now in your hands to decide when you should trade and not trade. Now, the weekly loss limit, it's good to help you shut yourself down early in the week if you're not seeing the week. We want to live to trade another day or another week. So think about that and always keep that on your mind. Now, the economic release, there's a reason why the ladder thins out and you don't see very many participants playing that. That should always be some type of tip that you probably shouldn't play that. Now, if you do, always keep it extremely light and let the market digest the news. It's a crapshoot just to play these economic releases, but there are so many different economic releases. You'll decide which ones you should be participating in flat on, or if you got a good position and you're in the money, keep that position on. So that's up to you. These 2 rules will be removed. I'm excited to see how our traders perform, and I'm excited to give you a little bit more room to trade and a little bit more responsibility on you to decide what's best for you and your trading. So trade well, always trade for tomorrow, always trade for the next week, and go out there and get back in these markets and trade well.